So in this video we will integrate our screen, this one, into main activity. So to do that we need to define our view model on top of our on create method. So let's do that, creating our view model. So private value view model by view models, and then we need to pass our to do view model, and it's giving me an error. Let's see what is say. Unresolved reference must have been some mistake. So let's do that again. Let's call it to do view model, and instead of just view model, to do view model by view models. Yeah, okay, so we need, I think we need this one, non-inline factory, I guess. Yes, we need this one. Sometimes it's happened because there are so many version of it. We need the non-inline function. Let's check it again to make sure that we are using the right one. Yeah, we need this non-inline factory producer view model, and then we need to pass our to do view model which we created in our like first or second video. So after doing that we need to create function to call our screen. So let's create our function. I'm going to delete this boilerplate, then no use for me. So let's define it as a composable, and then call function. Okay, let's make it private function to do screen activity, and we need to pass some parameters. So made a mistake in spelling. To do screen activity. So the first parameter is going to be the view model. So let's, yeah, it's showing right there. And yeah, we only need one parameter, not many. So in our to do screen activity we need to pass some items. So let's pass our first item, which is going to be items of type list, and we need to pass our data class by view model or by to do view models dot to do item, and then we need to call the observe as a state, observe state, and then we need to pass the list of data, as a list of, and yeah, we need to delete this greeting. So what's happening here that we are observing this live data of our random data, and its value is represented via state. So every time we add a new item, there would be a new value posted in live data, and the returned data will be updated, causing recomposition of every state. Recomposition will be explored in next video. For now we are focusing on our screen, to display the screen in main activity. So let's do the next thing. So after this we need to call our screen function which we created in last video. So let's call it screen, and it has automatically provided our parameters. The first item is item, so we simply need to cast it to items, and then on add item we need to call the method of adding. So let's call it on add item, and for some reason it's not showing. Oh, so yeah, we created our add and remove items function here. So we are going to pass these two functions into our screens. So for that we need to use the to do model reference which we created earlier. So to do view model dot, now we can call this add item function, and we need to pass the it parameter. We also want to add the remove item, which it did not do it automatically, so we will have to do it ourselves. So let's do that, and where did, yeah, on remove item, and same way to do view model dot remove item, and need to pass the it. Seems like I messed it somewhere, so need to backtrack what I did wrong. Yes, I need to. Did I created the remove item in screen? Oh, I did created it, so it should take it as a parameter. Yeah, it's taking it. I don't know why first time it did not took it. So to do view model dot remove item, and let's pass it. What is the problem? Oh, maybe we need to remove this. We don't need this. Yeah, so that's why it was causing the problem. And our screen activity is ready. So let's call this screen activity into on create. So yeah, we just need to call here the to do screen activity, and need to pass the to do view model. Actually should not need to pass to do view model. Let's pass to do view model. Yeah, and I think now we are ready for our first launch. Let's do it and see if it's running properly. So hit the play button, run button. So here we are. Looks like our launch is successful. Let's see the app is working or not. So it seems like it's working. We are able to add items. Let's see if we are able to remove the items. So let's touch it, and yeah, it's removing. So looks pretty nice. So in next video we are going to learn about how to save state, and that's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.